If you're looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. The powertrain includes four-wheel drive with a reliable engine that responds smoothly to its automatic transmission. Reach your destination effortlessly with GPS navigation. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. He's always hot and she's always cold. Solve this problem while driving with dual temperature controls. There's nothing like a sunroof on a nice day. And memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Call today to schedule a test drive.